Dear NEET aspirants, as you're preparing for a very crucial exam of your life, a couple of things you need to keep in mind. Uh, at this point of time, if you happen to do a lot of things, and one of the things is the preparation for this PG entrance examination, I don't think you're doing justice to your overall life as a doctor as well, because the NEET PG changes the course of life. Till now, you all are MBBS, and from this juncture, whatever rank will come, they'll decide the branch and the college. And you know, it actually is going to decide what kind of life you'll have as a doctor in the future, many years to come. So if you're in a job and you're preparing for the preparation of the examination, I think the time to take sabbatical or leave it, you create a reserve for yourself, and now for next couple of months fully devote yourself to the preparation. If you're intern, you have to do the job. The second thing is that a lot of people get this thing that they have wasted a lot of time, so every day they're contemplating that is the right time to start, can I make it? The time is sufficient. Only thing is that out of 24 hours, how many hours you invest in the preparation? Because if you keep thinking and just read 4-5 hours every day, it won't happen, you know it. So average should be around 10 to 12 hours at this moment. And as you cross January, it should be escalating to 12 to 13 hours every day. And I think we all are clear, this is the last time you're studying like this ever in your life. This much of content, 19 subjects being done together for one exam, it won't happen ever again. PG is not a academic program much. It's more of a job, and second year is thesis, and third year you study and you pass the examination, but it's more like a resident job, it. And for DMMCH, the study is not that much intensive. So for majority of doctors, this is the last time we'll be studying like this. So why not make this as the best chapter in our academic life? I think there's a point which you should think about. And the next thing, the last thing is that we keep predicting a bad outcome, and we just surrender our day to that, and then then number of days pass, and eventually we feel too much of pressure that we have wasted so much of time. There's one day you realize that I wish I should have started earlier. This is the day when you're listening to this. After this, don't commit to yourself from tomorrow on I'll start studying. If you really understand what I'm saying is, after this video is over, you will get up, make a cup of tea, coffee, wash your face, sit down and study, and you will bring that change from today, not from